Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I'm trying to get back into amateur radio. Um, and I realized that most of the people that I knew locally that were into amateur radio operator had passed away. So I thought, how can I find some new friends? So I did a search on hams near me or amateur radio operators near me, and I found this website. Um, it's What is it? It's hams.mapmash.com. And so this is a little interface for you to find hams, amateur radio operators. So one of the methods is by putting in a zip code. So I put in my zip code, I hit go, and then I wait, and then I wait, and I wait. There we go. So it says there are 63 active licensed ham operators in this zip code. So I click on the zip code, and here's a listing. Look at that. There's the listing. So there's 63 people just in my zip code. Not in my county, but in my zip code. And let's see. Am I here? Yes, right there is me. Bruce T. Stiles. Yeah, my first name's Bruce. So let me see if I recognize anybody else. Boy. You people that are watching my show and are subscribers or that are in this list are going to be mad at me because I don't recognize you. Here's Jim. This is the guy that I worked with at Honeywell. And there he is. So he's still active. Matter of fact, I go to Hamfest with Jim. This one looks familiar. I don't know him. Christopher Johnson. I think he's one of my subscribers, but I don't recognize the call sign. Anyway, so here's where you can kind of get back into amateur radio. Now, I wouldn't suggest that you look up their address and drive to their house and knock on their door and say, hey, I'm a fellow ham. Yeah, I don't think that'll work. You'll to get shot. No, but you might contact them other ways via the internet, or now that I've got some call signs, I could use Echolink and monitor for these call signs. And Echolink, if you put in a favorite call sign, you can say, notify me when this person is on Echolink. And that way you could contact them, or, you could just be like, I think I know this person from my show, AE4KN, or from something. So I could put him in Echolink, and if he happens to use Echolink, and he happens to come on, Echolink would say, hey, this guy's on, you want to talk to him? Pretty cool. So this is a way to find hams near you, or even at some other location. You could go by state. You could go by call sign if you know their call sign. Like I could put in Rob's call sign if I remembered it. I don't remember it. Or you could put his zip code, which I don't know. But anyway, this again is at hams.mapmash.com. I'll put the link in the description below this video. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.